Hello, little friends. Today, we're going to play with a fun seahorse puzzle together. A seahorse is a tiny animal that lives in the ocean. It has a long nose and a curly tail, just like a spring. Seahorses swim very slowly, so they look super gentle and cute. They love to hide in sea plants and sway with the waves. Our puzzle has 3 pieces like this. Let's start with the head piece. The seahorse's 2 eyes are very easy to spot. It's hard to tell which part this piece belongs to, but let's give it a try. Great, it fits right in. This last piece is the seahorse's tail. The final piece always seems the easiest, doesn't it? Thank you, little friends, for helping me finish. See you again very soon.